Hi, my name is Travis Burdick. We're out here at the Exertis Alamo E4 event in Dallas. I am the sales support engineer for Sony for the South and Mid-Atlantic. Behind me today we have the SRG, A12, and A40 camera line that has just come out. Well, it's been announced, but it comes out later this year. This is the A12 version of it, which is 12x optical zoom. There's a A40 version, which is 20x optical zoom, with clear image zoom up to 40x on that one. The interesting thing about this camera is it's 4K out the box, no additional license, and this auto framing technology that's in it. By auto framing, I mean pan, tilt, and zoom. So as you can see, the subject that we're tracking right now, it's locked on. There's quite a few people around her, yet it's still tracking her via her skeletal structure, facial recognition, and body size. So as she got closer, it still framed her. As she moves around, it's still keeping her framed. I've got her center framed. I can frame her to the left, to the right. I can frame her, like I said, close up, full body, or keep her at a waist-high shot. So this is a pretty good item. It's going to come in handy in corporate type scenarios, staged areas, higher education, and maybe even in church ceremonies. It's kind of up to you how you might use this product. There's going to be a lot of neat examples. We're looking forward to it hitting the market again later this year. For more information, please visit pro.sony.com.